Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to install and set up your Canon PIXMA WG7250F series printer on your Windows, Mac, or Linux device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up a web browser, and you want to search for Canon PIXMA WG7250F support. Go ahead and search for that. Best result should say Canon support for WG7250F. Go ahead and open that up. And now that we're on this page, scroll down underneath software and drivers, and you want to select the WG7000 series WG drivers from the list and select download. And then once it's downloaded to your computer, you want to go ahead and open up this file. It should be a verified publisher from Canon Inc. Go ahead and select yes to proceed with the installation here. So it says, welcome to the setup wizard. Select next. You want to agree to the license terms and then select either USB or network connection depending on your preference type. And that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.